At the top of the heat gun, you'll notice we have the on and off switch. After pressing the on button, you'll hear the airflow start to pick up. There's also this gauge here that you can set the desired heat. And on the side of the machine, where the operator will be standing, there is a knob that controls the speed of the machine. After you have your heat source at the desired temperature and your speed gauge set, you will then move your material into the guide. Once your material is in the guide, lower the handle to lower the top roller that pinches the material in place. Make sure your material is squared. After material is pinched between the weld rollers, lower the handle the rest of the way to engage the drive. Pre-fold the material as it is going through the guide for easy use. Same steps will apply when running the pocket guide. After you're done welding and ready to shut down the machine, grab the adjustment knob on top of the heat gun and move that down to 0. Let it sit for roughly 5 minutes or until cool air is blowing from the nozzle tip. Then you are free to turn off the power.